Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear students, today we are going to do the remaining exercise of chapter number 15 Early Humans Hunter to Farmers from your social study book. So students, before doing the exercise of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So my dear students, in this chapter we had learned about the life of early humans, how they discovered the fire and invented the wheel. My dear students, we also know in this chapter we also know how the discovery of fire and invention of wheel changed the lives of early humans. Students, can you imagine a life without the houses we live in? Television, schools, delicious foods, means of transport and communication. It would be so difficult. So students, early humans lived on earth many thousands of years ago. Early humans roamed around in search of food and shelter. They did not know how to build houses, so they spent their time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes, or they also lived in the caves. But all his could not provide them security from wild animals and adverse climate condition. Then they gradually started living in caves. They ate fruits from the trees or roots of plant. They hunted animals and ate them raw as they did not know how to cook food. Students, the early humans hunt, hunted animals and ate them, and they also and and they eat all the food like roots of plant, fruits, hunted animal, etc. as raw because they did not know how to cook food. After this, early humans discovered a fire and they know how to use fire. So, after the discovery of fire, they learn how to cook on fire, and fire kept them warm and safe. After this, the first wheel were invented around 5000 years ago. They made cart with wheels. They taught animals to pull the carts. After this, the early humans also learned how to grow crops for food. They no longer needed to wander around in search of food because they now they were learned about farming. They began to live in small groups near rivers and lakes. Early humans tamed animals like goats, cows, and oxen for their meat. milk and skin. So students, the right values from this chapter is nothing can be done without hard work. It is good to work hard and never be lazy. So early humans, in this chapter you learn about that early humans discover fire and first wheel, and in this chapter also they also know about farming, and they tame the animals. Now let's come to the question number 4. Answer the following questions. So students, now we are going to do the question number 4. First question is, name some of the tools used by early humans. What were the tools made of? Students, here you have to name some of the tools used by early humans and what were the tools made of. Students, early humans used tools, hammers, axes and spears. So you have to write answer like this: hammers, axes and spears are the tools used by early humans. It is made of stone, wood and bone. Now let's come to the question number 2. How did the discovery of fire help early humans? So students, here your answer will be, they learned to cook food on the fire, and fire kept them warm and also kept them safe from animals. Now let's come to the question number 3. How and when did early humans make the first wheel? Around 5000 years ago, when early humans have seen it easier dragging or pushing heavy things on down slopes, then they invented wheel. Now let's come to the question number 4. How did the wheel make the life of early humans easier? So students, do you know how the invention of wheels make the life of early humans life easier? Here you have to write, by making carts with wheels, they travel longer distances and move heavy things. In this way, wheels make the early humans' life easier. Now, let's come to the question number 5. In what ways did farming change the lives of early humans? Here, your answer will be after learning to grow crops, early humans no longer needed to wander around in search of food. Now, let's come to the last question. Which animals did early humans tame? What were they used for? So, students, here you have to write which animals was tamed by early humans and what were they used. Here your answer will be, early humans tame animals like goats, dogs, cows and oxen. They use them for meat, milk, skin and to dig the land for planting crops. So students, this was the answer of these questions. I hope you understood this question answer by the help of this video. You have to write this in your fair copy and you have to learn all the question answer very well. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.